Artoonza.
In this super easy tutorial, we're going to draw a magical castle from a simple triangle. Or as I like to call it, easy drawing from shapes. Because who knew shapes could be this exciting? Let's start with this cute triangle. Drawing time. Let's have a lot of fun together. Give us a big thumbs up. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait.
Aw, so cute.
Ready to splash some color. Let's color together. Brown, snowy white. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Color, color, color. Brown again. Mix it up, mix it up. This is much better. Actually, it's great. Color, color, color. Give us your like. Don't be shy, color high.
Aw, so cute.
Red. Color, color, color. Black. Yellow. Blue. Glitter time. Let's make it shine. Smash that like button now. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.